Hello and welcome back. I just need to make a quick correction about the previous video. Before I told you that if you drop a script into the scripts folder and use the MEL command rehash, it would load all of those scripts. Turns out that's only half true. It will load the MEL scripts. It will not load the Python scripts. So I'm going to demonstrate that now, and I'm also going to show you what to do if you are going to be using Python scripts. So here's my scripts folder. It's empty. And since it was empty when I loaded Maya, it will not have recognized these files that I just dropped in. So if I take a look, the instructions are type MEL test to test. And as I said in the other video, usually each script will have instructions either inside it or that come along with it in a README file or something. So if I try that command, MEL test, nothing works. Now, there's a few things I can do. I can either restart Maya. It'll show up then. I can go to my script editor, go to File, Source Scripts, and go to the correct folder and choose it. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go rehash. And I'm in my MEL command line. Now if I try the command, MEL test, look, MEL works. And since it's MEL, we can just leave it in that folder forever. It will always work every time I load Maya after this. Let's take a look at the Python test. So this one's a little bit more complicated. So we have to import it and run it. So Python test does not work. We get an error saying we haven't done anything to import it. You'll notice I've switched over to my Python command line instead of my MEL. Same thing, we could go and we could source the script. But since the Python doesn't automatically load when we're loading Maya, it's probably easier to set it up in a different way. So what we're going to do is go import Python test. And in this case, that is the file name. So whatever the file name is that you're importing, you import that. It works. If we look in our script editor, you can see no errors or anything came up. And now we go file name dot the command we want to run. And in this case, they're both the same. If you'll remember, I was supposed to import Python test and then run Python test, Python test. Whoops. Actually, for this one, I need to have the parentheses at the end. Python works. Great. So to do this, I don't want to have to remember that I need to import every single time. This is too many commands to type over and over. So what I'm going to do is make a really simple script. I'll put these on two separate lines. I'll include my parentheses this time. Then we can take both of those, drag them up here, rename our button. Reminder, that's a middle mouse drag once you have highlighted text. Save. Now I've got Python test. So now if I click this button, Python works. And it doesn't matter if it keeps rerunning the import command. That won't really slow you down. And so this will save on my shelf. So next time I get into Maya, instead of having to type these, I can just click the button. It'll work. If you have any questions, let me know. The website is Animator.Work. There's a lot of different ways you can get in touch with me. Hopefully you find this information useful. Bye.